Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to upload music to SoundCloud. So let's dive right in. SoundCloud also lets you upload directly from their mobile app for iOS and Android. Open the SoundCloud app and tap on the upload icon. It might look like an arrow pointing upwards. The app will likely request permission to access your device's files. Granting this permission allows the app to browse your phone's storage and locate your music files. Once you've given permission, navigate through your phone's folders and tap on the specific music file you want to upload to SoundCloud. After selecting the file, you'll be brought to a new screen where you can add details about your music. Just like on the computer version, you can enter a title, genre, and description. Here's where you can get creative and informative. Craft a compelling title that captures the essence of your track. Write a detailed description that highlights the mood, genre, or any interesting aspects of your music. You can also upload cover art to visually represent your song and make it stand out on the platform. Finally, don't forget to set the privacy of your track. You can choose to make it public so anyone can listen and share it, or you can keep it private and only share it with specific people. And there you have it. By using this method, you can upload music to SoundCloud. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.